canopy. Basically, it's all flat. It's quite beautiful, very shady, and lots to see. Like, I just saw people geocaching. There's horses. There's crazy bamboo forest, and there's these jumps where these dirt bikers. You can watch these dirt bikers. I'm not doing any dirt biking, but you can watch them, and it's very entertaining. So let's get riding. Deer crossing. Here's a great stop. Just stop at Dirt Jump 495 and watch the jumpers. That's crazy. Ooh.
Is not finding a geocache. People hide things that you're supposed to find. Go to geocaching.com to see the ones near you. Typical one is partially camouflaged with black tape so that it won't stand out. And
inside is a log.
This one is the 4,700th one we found.
Poison ivy right there. I think the tree's pretty fantastic. What a ride! So many things to do and see. It's shady, the paths are smooth, there's not a lot of inclines, so hope to see you riding.